A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a historic moment for Israeli politics, Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu is set to take the stand on Tuesday in his long-running corruption trial, marking the first time an Israeli prime minister will testify as a criminal defendant. This unprecedented event comes at a time when Israel is embroiled in a prolonged conflict with the Palestinian militant group Hamas, raising questions about Netanyahu's ability to balance his legal troubles with his responsibilities as a wartime leader. Netanyahu, who has been charged with bribery, fraud, and breach of trust, has long denied any wrongdoing, claiming that the investigations against him are politically motivated and part of a witch hunt. Under a court order, he will testify 3 times a week for 6 hours at a time. Despite the ongoing war in Gaza and the potential for new threats in the region, including in neighboring Syria. The trial began in 2020 and involves 3 separate cases that have divided Israeli public opinion and shaken the political landscape. Netanyahu's legal woes date back to 2019 when he was indicted on charges related to accepting gifts from wealthy friends and seeking favorable media coverage in exchange for regulatory favors. As he prepares to testify, Netanyahu has expressed outrage over the treatment of witnesses during the investigations and has accused law enforcement of undermining democracy in Israel. His remarks come amid a backdrop of heightened tensions and political polarization in the country, particularly following the Hamas attack on October 7, 2023, which has shifted public focus away from his trial. However, as the war drags on, political unity is beginning to crumble, with members of Netanyahu's cabinet clashing with the judiciary over various issues. Netanyahu, who has been in power for nearly 15 years, is Israel's longest-serving leader and the first sitting prime minister to face criminal charges. His trial is expected to capture significant media attention and could have implications for his political future as well as the broader Israeli political landscape. The charges against him include allegations of receiving expensive gifts from billionaire Hollywood producer Arnon Milchan and Australian businessman James Packer in exchange for assisting their business interests. Additionally, he is accused of promoting favorable regulations for media moguls in return for positive media coverage. As Netanyahu prepares to take the stand, the atmosphere outside the courthouse is charged, with supporters and opponents gathering to voice their opinions. A banner reading "Crime Minister" has been displayed, reflecting the deep divisions in Israeli society regarding Netanyahu's leadership and the ongoing legal proceedings. Despite the mounting pressure, Netanyahu has remained defiant, insisting that he will use his testimony to clear his name and present the truth after years of allegations. The outcome of this trial could not only affect Netanyahu's political career but also shape the future of Israeli politics as a whole, particularly in light of the ongoing conflict and the challenges facing the nation. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.